Hello everybody and welcome back, and today we will be discussing about how to edit Shopify product pages. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So first of all, from your sales channel, head over to your online store. Once you are there, you are going to be heading over to your pages. So in the pages you will be seeing that we have multiple pages going on. So if you want to add a page, you can do that. Like for example, let's just add a product page in here, and it is going to be about products. So I have already added that. So let's just head over to my online store and themes, then click on customize. You will be able to see multiple products in here. So you can see if you have product page already, click on that products, and in your products page you should be able to see your products. So let's just say I want to modify this. I want to add some picture at the bottom, so let's just add a section to this template. I'm going to be adding in here, like for example, image with text, or maybe we can add a slideshow, or we can add a video. That sounds dope. Let's just click on video, and we are going to be attaching a URL in the video section so it looks good. So we can see the heading is video, and we can select a video or you can choose a YouTube video in here. So you can see currently something is already added. Let's just go back and we can change this as well. So that's how you can edit your product pages basically, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.